Hello everyone and welcome to the Simple Stupid channel. This course or these tutorials will cover basically everything you had to know about Photoshop, how to edit basic image, how to fix the color of an image, how to remove anything from the background of an image, and so much more. When you first open Photoshop, you will be so overwhelmed with confusion you see and all these option. There is at least 1,000 options or so in the program, and if the layout of your program is different of mine, don't worry, we will get to that in a second. But what I will teach you here is a timeless technique that will apply to any Photoshop version. So what I want you to do is just ignore them all, ignore anything you see here in the layout of the program and just focus on these three things. The sidebar here on the left, sorry, the layout, the toolbar here on the left, the canvas area. And if you see the canvas in a gray color, that means you don't have file yet. Just go here to file, new, and create a new project or image. And the last thing I want you to know is the layers. My version is different from yours. What I want you to do is just go here up to window and uncheck any option of these except the layer option. By doing so, we will be on the same page, whatever the version of the program you had or you are working in. Okay, I will see you in the next tutorial.